Today I'm here with my holy fellow safer, Nachum Weinberg, and he's going to show me how to make ink carbon. Here we go. Making a little halacha over here, and then we're going to hopefully get some carbon out of it to make some ink for writing stam, Sefer Torah, Tefillin, and Mezuzahs. Here we go. So you see here, fire goes through the metal and it's catching all that stuff right there. All that little stuff that's stuck to the metal, that's called carbon and it's ash, and it helps.
Blackest material you could get.
It's blackest material on the market. On the black market, get it? Anyway, cool stuff. Here we go. Look at that carbon.
Shoot, why is there so much smoke?
And we're trying to make sure the fire smoke detector doesn't go off.
Not good.
But yeah, this is how you do it. Keep you posted. Here's the aftermath of what it looks like. Look at all that black. Now he's scraping it off. That's what we use for GI. Wow.
Yeah.
We are holding by the next step. So inside of that black bottle we have the carbon. And then we're about to mix it all together with gum arabic and honey. Is that what we're using?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Carbon.
This is a lot. This is so much.
That's what we made last night. Not last night, the other night before.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then it turns into like a putty. I'm gonna put literally
Putting in honey now.
one drop. 1.5. Okay, continue mixing.
Now it's like a whole putty situation. To the viewers at home what they are looking at.
So yeah, we made that black stuff yesterday. I didn't let it fully dry, but for tests, this is a bunch of water with very little gall powder, gallnut juice. Well, now it's gallnut juice. This is like a medium amount, and this is very concentrated. And we'll see what makes the best ink, or if it makes ink at all.
Wow. Look at these samples right there.
For now, I'm gonna add a little bit.
Isn't it just gonna be brown?
No, this stuff is extremely, the black powder is basically just coloring.
Hold on. Look at that.
Yeah, and this, it's still this big. Oh, it's like in there.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I need to add more water.
Looks a little bit thick, yeah.